This is an astrological transit update. We will be having Mercury retrograde in Sagittarius. Nangyayari siya ng 3 to 4 times a year. So, this is the last Mercury retrograde na mai-experience natin sa taong 2025. Mabilisang interpretation, Mercury retrograde is all about reflection on our mind, communication, and technology. So, the main focus of this energy shift is about re-evaluation and reflection. Meaning, you have to think before you talk, and you have to take a deep breaths kung naiinis ka na. Because Mercury retrograde will cause misunderstanding, travel delays, and technical glitches. Meron ding mga nagbabalik na mga tao from your past na meron ka pang issue na hindi mo pa nare-resolve. So they are appearing once again to make up with this thing that you have at pag-usapan nyo para makamove on na rin kayo. This is all happening in the sign of Sagittarius. So the energy of Sagittarius is more on spontaneity, expansion, and philosophy. So, you will be generous enough to give remarks and comments sa mga topics na gusto nyong pag-usapan. So, make sure kung nagbibigay kayo ng mga komento at mga remarks, mag-isip muna kayo kung ano yung sasabihin nyo, kung tama ba yung sasabihin nyo. Because you are prone to be tactless. Tactless tayo, pagiging straightforward tayo, at walang preno yung bibig natin. So, my best advice to this kind of energy is to slow down, pause, think before you speak, and think before you kick. Okay? So this is Astrolabs. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more.